Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a new for 2026 casting and it's a Ferrari Dino 206 GT. It's from mainline, looks good. So let's open it up and see what are the details. So before we deep dive, let's have a quick look at this casting. You can see some of the details and I think it's good that Hot Wheels is doing more mainline Ferraris because they are hard to find and they are pricey, I guess. So let's deep dive into it, see what are the details on offer. So you can see the Ferrari Dino in front of you, and like most Ferraris, it's finished in red. It makes it look good. There are a few things which differs from the Ferrari. So first of all, it has got a Dino badge instead of the Ferrari badge. Let me see if I can zoom into it. So there it goes. You can see the Dino badge. Yeah. So that's different, and I guess it was. I don't know the history whether they wanted to make it a separate badge or maybe separate, line of cars. I'm not sure, but still looks good. I don't know about the performance. I don't think they were the highest performance Ferraris, but. So looks good. Now, as it about the front, there are some details. You've got headlamps which are silver in finish. You got chrome bumper and looks like running lamps. Chrome grille. On that, you also get both the windshield wipers, but not the mirrors. On the driver's side, wheels look nice. They look good on a classic car. You've got your fuel door, a keyhole for the door. I don't know how the handle mechanism works here, so I don't see a door handle, but I feel like it looks so good. It still looks classic Italian shape, I would say, from that era. Interior is finished in chrome. I don't think the actual car did, but this one has a chrome interior. Coming to back, again, you have nicely detailed chrome bumpers, quad exhaust, tail lamp, which are not painted. You got some vents on the, so I think it's a mid-engine one, so vents there. Passenger side looks almost identical. No fuel filler on this side, and also this side has a, I think it's a Pininfarina badge. It looks like a Pininfarina badge. So yeah, so got that, and yeah, apart from that, it's very similar to the driver's side. This is how it looks from the top. And this is how the base looks. Has no details on the base. Basically, it's a red plastic base. Now, overall, I'm not sure if, what would I say the exact word? The craze behind these castings, like people describing everything, hard to find. But I understand, like, it's been a long time since Hot Wheels did Ferraris, and this is a new casting, so obviously it's good to have. I like the casting. I like the details on it. Would have definitely loved if the tail lamps were painted too, but I'm okay with this. Looks good and will go really well with the other Ferraris in the collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.